Hello and welcome everyone. It's Andy here. As you can see, a total green with S&P 500. We had a rebalance of the lows that we had, the sell-offs that we had last week as predicted. And now we're building the case for a potential bull run. As you can see in video, after the crazy sell-off that they had, now they are pulling back. That is, I'm going to talk about it in another video, but that is a major trap, guys. Be careful on Nvidia. The stock was totally overbought and a correction was due. Having said that, let's go to the Dow Jones USA 30. As you can see, the channel was totally completed on Friday. Again, I think late Friday I published a video analyzing the stock, and I predicted this rally. For now, the rally will probably continue. Don't forget, on Thursday we have major topics coming out, namely PCE, which is Federal Reserve's favorite sort of measurement index for the interest rates. The market is totally eyeing that. However, the current rally that started is basically a rebound thing, guys. Be very, very careful. We are testing the 38,750-ish level, and it's a very dangerous zone. If they can actually move past that, we are expecting a stop at 39,200. For now, I am not on the bull train yet, guys. Please be careful if you're trading this chart. I would wait for Thursday to see the numbers. As you can see with Dow Jones right now, I think we can pull up all the way to 38,730. This is an absolute bull trap. Having said that, NASDAQ looks more or less the same. Again, after a big sort of correction throughout the market, now we are eyeing the 17,560 level. Probably we can go there without a problem if there is no crazy news coming out. However, guys, that was the chart. If you look at it in the short term, if you look at the long term, actually the channel that has been opened right now with Dow Jones, you can see that the MACD is now on a bearish reading, and same story with stochastics, and the stochastics is not even close to a crossover for a bull run again, guys. That is telling you clearly that on the long-term chart, we are going, and you see even the trend is under the Bollinger Band. So that means we're going probably for somewhere around 30, more in the long term, I would say 37,200, which was basically the close on basically this range. That is a major support line. And then it could be that within the next 6 months, we're going to be testing the 35,900, depending how the Federal Reserve reacts with the interest rates. So that could be major sell-off for the stocks on Dow Jones. And as you can see here, the story is not so much different with NASDAQ. To be honest with you, I am more bearish on NASDAQ. The case is very clear. The stochastics, MACD, Bollinger Band, they have all signaled to a big correction coming up, guys, within the next 3 to 6 months. Like I said, if you want to trade this chart, you have to trade it in short-term ranges, which is very, very risky. As an investor, I do not recommend that to you, even if you are an experienced trader. On a separate news, as you saw, gold totally made a correction. The correction was due, as we discussed. We are still waiting for gold's correction. Actually, the correction could be a little bit longer. I see gold hitting perhaps the 2,200 level for a time soon. depending on how the political news develops and how the Federal Reserve reacts. But in the long chart, we are definitely going to see this continuance of this trend towards 2,724 and then potentially 3,000, not within a close future, probably within next year or the year after. But we will definitely see the trend catching up again on gold. And having said that, I hope the video was beneficial for you guys. And if you have any suggestions or comments, please make sure you let me know, and I'll make sure that I produce the analysis that you guys want on the instruments that you ask for. Thank you very much, and talk to you very soon.